Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free review of the website That's Smoooth. Thank you so much for requesting a review. I believe we worked together some time ago on social media marketing, and I'm glad your website is growing and it looks a little bit different, so that's good. I noticed that the top banner opens in the same tab. It's good that you are selling in Macy's. However, make sure to open this external link in new tab. Otherwise, people will open Macy's website and will stop shopping from you. So you will lose traffic. However, this is a great advertisement. Just make sure to optimize it. What you can do is add a shortcode into your website template that opens all external links in your tab, so you don't have to mess around with this particular code of this element. If you add this code, automatically all external links will open in your tab. So I do recommend adding it. If you'd like help with adding this code, please contact me and I'd be happy to do it for you. I would optimize this tagline a little bit better, because instead of an introductory to That Smooth, you can tell designed for to shave African hair, African American men, or something like that, to really introduce the benefit of the product, and so people understand right away. Instead of hiding it in this little text, you can put it in few words here, so people get it within the first few seconds. This is much better way to convert traffic into customers. Okay. Now this is much better, formulated for wavy and curly hair texture. So this is much better. However, I would work on the pictures. If you target curly African hair, make sure that the models you use are also represent. So be be really focused on your target customer, on every element of your website as well. Okay. I would love to see a little bit your branding a little bit better. It looks hidden, looks like cropped out of the frame. So perhaps you can use a different photo that really shows the branding, that really shows how your packages look like. Because at the moment they just it's not the best cropped photo to really showcase your products, and the packaging looks really good. Yeah, this is good. This is good. It could have a little bit stronger calls to action, a little bit stronger reasoning, a little bit stronger branding, but the content is there. It's SEO friendly, which is great. However, if you would like to boost your conversion rate, I would work on optimizing this a little bit, because you really want to convince, well, not convince, but you really want to explain your products, what they do, so people are really intrigued and they want to find out more, they want to buy, they want to browse uh, your um your items. It is a little bit too fluffy in my opinion at the moment. It's a little bit too generic and goes around the topic instead of addressing what you really do. Okay, I really like that the recommendations are there with photos as well, so that's perfect. Collection list, subscription collection. Okay, so you have subscription, that's great. Classic man. I would work on the images a little bit better. This is cropped out in kind of not a good way. I would also use the same style of photos, so the whole photo, sorry, the whole image within the frame, the whole image within the frame, and here you've got image and the white background and the text. So I would keep this image the same style to give it more professional look. I would remove the opacity, it's too dark, because the photos are great, but they look a little bit like too dark. They don't show the colors. It just feels like you really want to remove this opacity. Also, I can see that you're showing the products. However, the products are cropped out. So see if you can find a better photo that shows you showing the products as well. So the products are also shown within the frame. Okay, so this is good. It's really good trust signal. You partner with those retailers, so that's really fantastic. Instagram images, fantastic. I can see that you're really, really working hard on promoting your brand. And I like that you are showing it on your Instagram. Very, very trustworthy looking Instagram. I don't see it in the like on a website yet. However, the Instagram looks like it belongs to a very trustworthy, established brand. So I would work on having this look to really give you more polished, more professional, more authority look, because it feels like you've got all of it there, but the website, it just lacks this kind of final polish to really convert, to really show that you are selling a premium luxury brand. Okay, free shipping orders over $35, which is fantastic. Okay, I like the extra photo to build an authority and report. Contact details are there, which is fantastic. The extra navigation is there as well. The social media links. Your social media links open in new tabs, which is fantastic. And I would also encourage you to keep consistent with your social media branding. For example, your brand is called That Smooth. This is on your packaging. However, your Facebook page says the ultimate shaving experience, which is completely different. So make sure to keep consistent with your brand name, because if people find you on Facebook and saw the ultimate shaving experience, they wouldn't automatically understand it belongs to your brand. So to convert better, to really, really establish your presence, keep consistently the same colors, the same branding, the same font, the same brand names, and so on. Also, I noticed the Pinterest isn't linked to your page, so make sure to update the Pinterest link on the website. Okay, so this is our story. I like this video. I watched it on the Macy's website, and I think it is a fantastic way to build rapport, and you have strong personal branding, and which I definitely do recommend working on it, making it even stronger. And this is really, really great looking about us page. Subscription collection. That is really smooth move. I would. Okay, there it is. The content is here, perfect. The image, for some reason, it loads kind of funny. As you could see, it loaded within the frame, and now it's too stretched out, which is blurry, which kind of already feels like it's letting down your branding, it's letting down the premium luxury branding. So I would upload better quality image, or change the image to a royalty-free background. However, mm, the prices and the plans are very attractive prices. So I think it is really, really great way. Free of shipping, cancel after 90 days, charge monthly. This is really, really smart way. Um, yeah, just I would also change the the colors of it. Just doesn't suit your branding, the green or the um yeah, the green or the gray. I would change these colors to really match the your colors on the packaging. As I mentioned, to create this consistent branding. This is all part of the branding, the colors, the font, and yeah, because yeah, the you know which direction you're going. It's just you need to give your website this kind of smoother finish. Also, those icons, there's too many of them. This contact form is covering some of them, so I would work on optimizing these as well. Okay, shaving products. You don't need to this above the fold. It needs optimization. It when someone clicks on shaving products, they expect to see the items. So if you have this kind of very oversized promo image that is too blurry and it's really unnecessary, it pushes all the essential elements for you to convert. They push it from the view. Also, the display of your product, the display of your collection page, it looks very salesy. It looks just these colors, all of the items are on sale. Um, I think you need stronger branding. You need to really reflect the direction you want to go to, because I can see that you're selling at Macy's, you're selling at other premium retailers. So you want to be seen as premium, obviously luxury brand. However, this kind of look of the product, it doesn't say that you're premium, doesn't say you're luxury. So I would definitely work on the website look and feel, on the branding, because this is something that is really missing at the moment. That is really needed to convert visitors, to really tell them what you're offering, and to really sell the story, because that's what people buy. They buy the story, they buy the story of the brand they want to identify with. Mm. Yeah, the product page also needs optimization. The font, the product title font doesn't have to be that big. It can easily fit in 2 lines. So, and then you can show add to cart quantity above the fold, and then show this free shipping as well. Because otherwise you push all of those crucial elements down, and down from the above the fold out of the view, which definitely affects the conversion rate. So I would optimize the product page so all the key elements are displayed above the fold, and people can click the add to cart, can see the free shipping and subscription option, and they can check out easily, just how you could buy on Amazon without really scrolling down. You do it so easily, because this is really the best way to improve the conversion rate, improve sales, and improve your user experience, to make the buying process as smooth as possible. Okay, our ingredients. So you tell about your ingredients, which is fantastic. This page also needs optimization, like white font. I can barely see what this white font says on a yellow background. Um, I would optimize the display of this image so it's within the text. It looks a little bit amateurish. It doesn't really, as I mentioned already, it doesn't really mention your premium branding. So the website look and feel is in need of redesign. It's in need of help, that's for sure. I hope you like the critique. I hope you like the tips received. I'm really happy that we can still work together, that we're still in touch. And as I mentioned, you've got really good visibility, really good branding on social media. You know where you're going. However, the website feels like it needs to reflect that, needs to reflect this premium luxury branding. I'll be happy to show you how to reflect that branding, how to reflect that with better navigation, better looking photos, better colors. I'd love to help you optimize your website because I feel that really needs attention right now. I do offer full website redesign and SEO package. And if you would like to learn how this package can help your brand, how this package can help your website to stand out, to give you more premium feel, please book a free chat. The link is in the email. I'll be happy to show you the changes that I can make on the website, and I'll be happy to show you how to convert better, how to convert more visitors into customers. So please book a free chat. The link is in the email, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks. Bye bye.